Hello everybody, welcome to my already third Skillshare class where I will teach you everything you need to know about color in Adobe Photoshop. Have you ever wondered why some images on the web look better than others? Or let's say the colors are simply more pleasant to look at? Then don't worry, I will show you how to do it. We will work on 3 different images. I will guide you through step by step and show you all the techniques I like to use and which I have in my own toolbox to work with every single color channel. I think it's always really helpful to see how the same techniques work on different images, because every single photo is different and also every single color is different. Whether it's a burning sunset or sunrise or some colorful autumn leaves or just a simple blue hour shot, I tell you, every single scene needs its own color adjustment. My name is Daniel Fleischhacker and I'm a professional photographer for over 6 years now, and at the same time I've been a Photoshop teacher for almost my entire career. I wish I had a tutorial like this in the past, because I struggled a lot with colors. I think it's such a complicated topic and you can do so many things wrong, but also a lot of things right, and that's what you will learn here. So who is this class for? I would say it's for the intermediate to advanced landscape or nature photographer who wants to bump his own images finally to the whole new level. So I wish you a lot of fun, guys. I hope you will enjoy watching this class. Feel free to shoot me any questions you have, and I'm really curious what you can do with my techniques on your own images. So don't hesitate, post them in the project section here on Skillshare, and I'm always there to critique or just give you a thumbs up. So like I said, guys, have fun and see you later. Bye.